In this Java tutorial, we will talk about overloading. With the method overloading, multiple methods can have the same name with different parameters. Let's do an example. I create an object from the MathOperation class. There's a method in the class that performs addition. I will send two variables to the method. The sent variables will be added and returned. I call the method. I send two variables to the method. The application is running. So what happens if I send double values instead of integer? The application will give an error. Because we defined the method as integer, we cannot guarantee that the user using the application will always send integer values to the method. To solve this problem, we can use the overloading method. I create another method with the same method name. I will send double variables to the method instead of integer. Don't forget to make the method type double. Even if double values are sent to the addition method, the application will work without errors. We can also send integer values to the function instead of double. The application will work without errors. I can add println to the methods to see the distinction made when the method is called. I add strings to the println method that indicate which method is called. Since double values were sent first, the second method was called. Then, since integer values were sent, the first method was called. In this video, we learned how to use overloading. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.